The content of this video is to teach you how to solve measurement, vector, Newton's law, and motion in one dimension. We can solve the basic problems given. First is the measurement. This is the conversion of units of length for our problem. You have a piece of fabric that is 8 yards long and you need to know its length in feet. How many feet it is? First, given tapos 1 yard is equivalent to 3 feet in conversion. Tapos solution. Okay, may solution. Eight yard times 3 feet equivalent to 1 yard. 8 times 3 is equals to 24. Tapos cancel yung yard, makakuha yung feet. So a piece of fabric that is 8 yards long is equivalent to 24 feet in length. Let's move to the vector. James throws a frisbee in a park and the frisbee follows a path. It travels 8 meters in the south direction, then 6 meters in the east direction, followed by 4 meters in the north direction, and finally 10 meters in the east direction. Calculate the distance and displacement of the frisbee path. Well, start by calculating the total displacement, which is overall change in position from the starting point to the ending point. To do this, we'll treat north as positive, south as negative, east as positive, and west as negative. The frisbee travels 8 meters in the south direction is negative. It then moves 6 meters in the west direction. It is negative. Next, it moves 4 meters in the north direction. It is positive. Finally, it travels 10 meters in the east direction. It is positive. Now, let's find the overall displacement. 4 meters minus 8 meters is equals to negative 4 meters. East to west, east minus west, 10 meters minus 6 meters is equal to 4 meters. The north-south displacement is negative, indicating a southward direction. The east-west displacement is positive, indicating an eastward direction. Now we can use the Pythagorean theorem to find the distance. North-south displacement squared plus east-west displacement squared. Negative 4 meters squared plus 4 meters squared. Yan. Tas squared mo siya. Squared 16, tapos 32 meters squared. Square root lang siya tapos makukuha 5.66. So the distance traveled by the frisbee is approximately 5.66 meters and the displacement is 4 squared 2 meters at an angle relative to the north direction. A 10 kilogram object is subjected to a net force of 30 newtons. Calculate the acceleration of the object. We can use the formula of F is equals to net force or newtons equals to M times A. M is the mass of the object in kilograms. A is the acceleration of the object in meters per second squared. Newton's second law of motion states that the acceleration of an object is directly proportional to the net force acting on it and inversely proportional to its mass. This relationship can be expressed as this formula. In this problem, we can have 30 newtons and mass 10 kilograms. Now we can use Newton's second law to calculate the acceleration. 30 newtons is equals to 10 kg. Ito, formula. Times acceleration. Para makuha may acceleration, nalagay mo dito yan. Then, A is equals to 30 newtons over 10 kg. Lagay mo dito tapos divide lang. Is equals to 3 meters per second squared. So the acceleration of the 10 kilogram object is 3 meters per second squared when subjected to a net force of 30 newtons. And last is motion in one dimension. Axel is participating in a bicycle race, and the race begins when an air horn sounds. When he hears the air horn, he accelerates from the rest at a rate of 6.00 meter per second squared for a time of 4 seconds. Calculate the displacement of Axel bicycle during this period of time. To find the displacement, we can use the equation an uniformly accelerated motion. The equation for displacement during uniformly acceleration is this. D is for the displacement, B is the initial velocity 0 meter per second since axle start from the rest, A is the acceleration 6.00 meter per second squared, T is time 4 seconds. So this is the solution. Velocity times time 4 seconds plus 1/2 because of the formula. Then the acceleration 6.00 meter per second squared times time 4 second squared. Tapos first we can multiply it, then cancel second, matitira meter plus 1/2. Yan, copy lang to. Next, pagta times tong tatlo, yan, is equals to 48.00 meter. 0 meter plus 48.00 meter is equals to 48.00 meter. So the displacement of Axel's bicycle during the 4 seconds of acceleration is 48.00 meters.